Hi guys, I'm here again. I have a question. So this is the question. What are you going to do at your age of 50s and you're living by yourself, alone, even you are a superwoman? When you get sick, I think you will need somebody, right? So, do you think you're able to look after yourself even you are a Wonder Woman and a rider? When you have your car, you can do everything. You're the queen of the road. What gonna happen when you're alone and get sick? So guys, what the recommendation you going to do when you're alone and you get sick? Well, usually you are active, you're a rider here and there, you're the queen of the road every day, and then you get sick and you're alone. What are you going to think for solution? Give me a comment of recommendation. When you're alone and you have many cousins, you have many cousins, you have cousin boys and girls younger than you. So I'm in 50s, so my cousins are like 30s. I have a cousin same age of me as well, but bit younger. So about in 40s or nearly 50s, and cousin 30s, or a cousin that what age? 28. So guys, even you are a Wonder Woman and a rider, active person, when you get sick, for sure you will need somebody there beside you that will give you attention, affection, caring. For sure you will need that, guys, right? Even you are the Wonder Woman of the road or the world. When you get sick, any kind of sickness, stress, from the stress and everything, go on and on, any kind of sickness, you will need somebody be there for you, listen for you, and will give care, take care of you. Well, same thing. When you have somebody beside you get sick, you're going to give an affection, caring, right? If somebody gets sick, especially the person that you know that near to you. So guys, I'm thinking, because even I'm a superwoman of the road, or I'm a Pinay rider and very active, I'm still thinking that I cannot live by myself alone. We will need somebody be there in case of emergency, that you need some affection, caring. Um, Even your president of the world, or in a high position, you will need somebody there for you to take care of you, to give you an affection, to recover yourself to any sickness that you will have. So guys, now I'm thinking, because I'm active person, and of course I think stress will make you sick, really. When you are stressed and so many things troubling around you, that's the start, I think, that you will get sick of something. You will get something that you will get sick, because when there's a problem around you, you cannot live properly normally, that it will rumble your everyday routine, that will affect your health. So guys, I will be back again. So we're talking about health. To be healthy means living normally, out of stress, do your everyday routine. Of course, our hygiene. Our hygiene not only to ourselves, but the space that we are in, our clothes. So we need a hygiene around us, and yeah, first us, and of course the surrounding, the space we have. So to have a good health, we need hygiene, personal hygiene, and surrounding where you living in, healthy food. If there's a problem, we need to make a solution with it, right, guys? No good that this problem will attack you all the time. To attack you all the time means it's making you sick. So if there's a problem, you have to find out what that problem causing you, and you have to direct to that problem to solve, so it will not cause you to be sick. Okay, guys. Hopefully, we will find out. I start my antibiotic today. My first day on the 2nd of April. Now I have 24 capsule here, and means that is 6 days, I think. Yeah, good for 6 days. So we'll find out if I take this capsule antibiotic 4 times a day. 4 times a day for 6 days. We'll see what it will do to this infection that happening to me. I never been to the doctor, or I think almost a year now. But mostly when I'm to the doctor, stress, my blood pressure going up when somebody stress me. Guys, there's this one Filipino asking me to marry him so he's able to stay here in Australia. And you know what I said to him? Look, to me, marriage is not a joke. It's not because you want to stay, you can use the marriage. I said marriage is not that a joke that you will use of whatever you want for. Marriage is for like a lifetime. It's an emotion. Before you enter it, it will be an emotion, and it is about commitment that you will be with this person. It's not because you want to stay to the country, you forcing me to marry you. Excuse me, you. I said you can find somebody, and then you annoyed me last year that it brings my high blood pressure high. Marriage is not joke to me. We cannot use that. That's a sacrament, holy sacrament of joining people that willing to be together. It's not just you will use it because of documents. Okay, I'll see you again, guys. Let's see if this antibiotic will do something good after I taken it for 6 days.